Convener of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Women Wing, Yumnam 𝐿𝐴𝐴 has declared that barricades of security forces set up at 𝐏𝐇𝐎𝐔𝐆𝐀𝐊𝐂𝐇𝐎 will be removed tomorrow. She was addressing media person at UCM office at Lamphel today. Since both the state and central governments have not paid any heed to the request of removal of barricades by 30th of last month, COCOMI, along with people of Manipur, will now remove these barricades tomorrow, contained 𝐿𝐴𝐴. Union Home Minister Amit Shah himself had assured of removing the barricades at the earliest, she mentioned. Yumnam 𝐿𝐴𝐴 further appealed to the public to help in removing the barricades tomorrow.
ꯂꯥꯜ ꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 6ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑꯣ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯜꯂꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯇꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯎ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 6ꯇ ꯄꯨꯡ 12ꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯒꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯂꯕ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯜ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯍꯛꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯏꯀꯩ ꯇꯨꯝꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯥꯔꯛ ꯌꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗ ꯂꯝꯍꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯗ ꯊꯛꯗ ꯇꯨꯝꯗ ꯁꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯥꯡ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯈꯟꯊꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯊꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯟ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯕꯖꯥꯔ ꯀꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯦꯞꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ